why you shouldn't play pop song as a beginner. One of my student parents asked me if their kids can play some pop song on the piano. Their kids now is 6 years old and has only been learning piano for 3 months. And his practicing time at home is only 30 minutes in a week. Why we, as a piano teacher, don't recommend beginners to play pop song? I will show you some example below, then you understand why I'm saying that. Okay, this is the simplified version. And this is the final version. If you just started playing piano and trying to play pop song, you might end up realizing that the song you play on the piano doesn't sound the same as the song you heard on YouTube or from the single. It may be discouraging to a student. But if the kid keeps playing the song he or she likes, he or she may not continue learning the techniques or improving their finger practice. This is because they will find boring and uninteresting to learn compared to the song they are more familiar with. I would suggest students to start learning pop song when their talent is more mature. So, how can students determine when their talent is mature enough? The minimum requirements is to be able to read right and left hand notes on the step. Years of experience as a piano teacher has taught me the importance of start with the right technique when you're learning piano. Thanks for watching. Comment down below on the topic you are interested in, and I will answer the question like this with you. I'm Mr. Mo. See you in the next video. Bye bye.